Hi everyone, so in this chapter of this install I'm going to show you how to run the wires from the head unit to the boot. I'm going to be removing the seats, lifting the carpet up and the cables underneath, because now I'm going to have two RCA cables and they won't tuck in the side, so I'm going to run it all through one channel. So as usual, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, continue to watch. Okay, so we're in the front of the car now. As you can see, I'm going to push the seat back to locate the bolts at the front. Push it right back until it can't go no more. You can't really see me on this camera angle, but this is the best angle to show you. Bolt here, bolt here. They are 10mm. Okay, so let's undo them. Right, that's them ones removed from the front. There's two at the front, and then you've got some four at the back. Let's go and do them now, shall we? These are the four 10mm bolts here. Right, so once you've got the seat up here, you need a T40 piece. So I've got myself a set here. Get the T40 out. To undo the two bolts here and here. Little word of advice: undo them each at the same time. Like do a bit on that side, then a bit on this side, and so forth. Because as you lift, as you undo one, it's going to want to fall out of the way. Or you can just undo one at a time. See what happens. If you've got a friend to help, it's all good. I'm going to crack on now and undo these two bolts. Right, as you can see, I've been and grabbed a T40 on the socket like this, on a ratchet, a 1/2 inch ratchet. I was struggling with it. Then remove the seat. Right, so with the back seat out now, the lower part of it, I'm going to move the driver's seat here. I'm going to put it on top of the passenger seat here. I'm going to push this to the back as far as it'll go, tilt it down so the back comes right down. And I'm going to rest the driver's seat on top of it carefully. You'll have a couple of wires underneath you've got to undo. I think that an 8mm. That's for the airbag, the sensors, all the motors that move the seat back and forth. So you'll have to do that. I'm going to crack onto it now. Okay, so here's the bolt. Okay, so with a 7mm, put it on. So now I've disconnected all the cables under this seat. I'm going to tilt this back. So, I hear some of you probably saying, why not just take it out of the car? A, seatbelt, I can easily disconnect that, yes. B, I'm in a garage, I haven't got a lot of space. That's not going to hurt for a while whilst I do this. There's nothing that, you know, it's just lever on lever, it'll be fine. It gives me the room I need to work on this side. So that's the seat removal bit, front and back. Get this piece out the centre console. I'm going to probably try and move this up out of the way, and I'm going to crack on with that piece. So what you do now is you remove all the panel from the side, kick panel down here, okay, because you want to get to the carpet and lift it over. So let's do that, shall we? Okay, so we've got to remove the kick panel here. So I'm going to need trim removal tools, flathead screwdriver. So it's just as simple as remove the rubber and pull it out of the way. So I'm at the back, Phillips screw here, so you undo that. Remove the same as you did at the front, the weathering. Right, so there's a Phillips screw up here, okay. You can pull that trim out. Remove the rest of the trim. When you get it unpopped from the bottom, right, you've got to just pull it out a little bit and pull down, and this whole section will come out. So let's get that removed. And then that'll reveal all your wiring. See, because I've already got an RCA cable here and an amp switch on. The plan is to, if I put another one along here for the new amp, it'd be too much. So I'm going to run some conduit, like I say, underneath the carpet and channel it all through there. And it'll run along and up to the side here. So. Whew, hot work. Let's put all these back in so I can shut the doors and do the next stage. Okay, so as you've seen from this bit, you've seen how to remove the seats front and back. If you've got limited space, like me, I've dumped mine driver seat on the passenger seat, and I've got all the trim out. The back seat I've put on the roof with a cover. So now everything's done, I can give the carpet a clean before it goes back in. I'm going to lift it up and run the conduit. So what I'll do is I'll do another video for this. I'm trying to keep these ones short so you don't get bored of it. Yeah, so check out the next video to run it all in.